Hi lovely people, I hope you're all doing well. A warm welcome to both my old subscribers and new ones. Thanks for joining this channel. In this video, we shall be making crispy, crunchy, fried sweet plantain chips. You can enjoy this snack at any time of the day. For this snack, all you need is a few ingredients. I will be working with sweet plantains, chili powder, salt, and oil. I will start off by peeling the skin of the sweet plantains using a knife. So I cut off both ends of the plantain and slit a line down the seam of the plantain, then removed the peel. So once that's done, I will slice it thinly. The thinner it's sliced, the crispier the chips. You can create any shape you desire using a knife, slicer, or peeler. I am creating a few different shapes by slicing, grating, and so on. At this point, my sweet plantains are nicely chopped up. It's time to fry. I will go ahead and add enough oil in my skillet. Once the oil heats up, I will go in with the grated plantains. I am going to fry them according to its shape. You want to fry them in batches so it doesn't turn out oily, okay? Keep that in mind. Keep turning until golden brown for about 5 minutes on medium heat. Once it's golden brown, remove the sweet fried plantain chips from the oil and then transfer it to a colander to let the excess oil drain. I will repeat this process till I have beautifully fried all the plantain chips. So as you can see, it's fried beautifully. And I will go ahead and sprinkle both chili powder, which is optional to use, and salt over the chips. Give it a good shake so it evenly spreads across the chips. Here I have my packing bag, which I will use to store the plantain chips, or you can store it in an airtight container at room temperature. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay blessed.